What's up, my people? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. All right, so today we are having another episode for the week, okay, in which we're going to be looking at market outlook. All right, so we are going to be revealing about two currency pairs this week. All right, so far so good. The market we've been revealing has been fantastic. We've been receiving testimonies because all the market we've been analyzing have been going towards our direction, making profit. We have testimonies from Ghana, we have testimonies from Canada, Zambia, Sierra Leone, Nigeria. Lots of testimonies coming in, lots of growth of account, and it's been remarkable. Alright guys, so if you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. Alright, so and I need to also be thankful to those people who are actually following us currently. You guys are wonderful. In the shortest period of time, we were able to get us to this total number of persons subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. All right, so if you're a new person on this channel, you know what to do. Kindly subscribe, hit this subscribe button, turn on your notification, and if possible you can also share this video so as to encourage us for more profitable content from FX Media. Alright guys, so you guys are wonderful. Thank you so much. Like I said, today we are going to be revealing two market outlook. As you can see, market outlook. So we have two. So it's going to be crazy this upcoming week. So you need to get your trading account ready, get everything ready, and take your positive trades, take a very good trades on this market we're going to be analyzing today. All right, so it's time to make another crazy profit in the month of August. Before we dive right into the video, always remember that Forex no hard. Now you go buy when you supposed sell. Look at it very well. So yeah, see you in the video. Alright guys, welcome back to our channel. Alright, so we dive right into the video. So like I said, we have two pairs that we are looking out for this new week. The rest assured are going to be making a lot of profits this week. Okay, so the first one is CHFJPY. All right, so as you can see on my screen, by the way, we've actually been making profit from this CHFJPY in the past week. All right, so it's been in an uptrend and got to this high that we have here. Okay, this high. All right, then we have another one. It refused to actually break this level, this important level. Okay, so you can see where we've actually been milking from. We had multiple touches, then we got our entry right after this candlestick formation, then we sold up to this point, then market reversed up to this point. You actually have trade that smash out to B1 or to B2. It was to be trade out there, so we took out that, and when it came back to that same zone, actually short the market again and took our profit before the market actually closed. Okay, so we are not done with CHFJPY. All right, so far so good. Like I said, the outlook we've been dropping have been remarkable, have been going towards a direction. So here's another week to actually make a lot of profit from the financial market. Like I said, Forex no hard. Now you go buy when you supposed to sell. All right, so whichever country you're connecting from, all right, or wherever you are watching this video, I hope you understand pidgin. I said you understand like what I actually meant is that the Forex market is not hard. You're the one that go and buy instead of you to sell. All right, so that is it. Okay. Yeah, so we move further into it, and then you can find the entries for the new week. We go to the lower time frame and see what we actually have right here. Okay, so market is currently on this level, the support level. All right, so we are looking out for a breakout to occur from this level. The moment we have a breakout from this level, what happens? We are expected to short the market. Okay, so I'm coming. Okay, yeah, this is it guys. So we expect market to break out of this level. We come to retest this place, this one right here. Let me map that zone. All right, so this level, we expect market to come down to this level, then take the reversal, we test the level, then we short right down to this position this right here, because we have a W right here, a reversal pattern right here, and it's likely going to respect it. All right, so what I encourage you to do is that this new week you get to look out for entries down to this point. All right, so hopefully it could get here. So this is a wonderful setup we have on CHFJPY, easy to enter. Like I said, we've been milking this since this past week. CHFJPY, I said to you guys, JPY pairs are my favorites. Okay, and I trade them even with one eyes closed. All right, guys, so that is it. So we're waiting for a breakout. Now we look out for another way if the market does not actually go for a sell. Okay, you know, we're not the makers of the market. Okay, you can actually just speculate and find the right position to enter. Now, what if the market actually respects this support level that we have here? Okay, so we could actually have a rejection right here, and the market could come back to test here, this zone here, this zone that proven itself to be strong. Like, going to come there. But before how do we get to know that it's going to bounce up there? So we're going to wait for the candlestick confirmation that's going to form right here. All right, and wait for market to probably grab liquidity below. Then we get to take our trade in the next candlestick formed on lower time frame. You know how we do it. All right, so then we buy up to this key level right here. And if we have a breakout that occur at this level, you understand that the trend of this market is an uptrend. And remember what it says, you trade with the trend. Okay, so if it happens that way, breaks out, then we ride the trend. So that's where we take our entry from, to ride the trend continuously. So okay, we look at the market and possibilities that could favor us, like I said to you guys, for the sell. And if by any chance we have markets come to this place during the week, this level right here. Okay, so if it takes out this level, then the market is falling crazily. So it's another time of the year to actually make CHFJPY. All right, that's it on CHFJPY. So the second one we're looking out for is your favorites. Many of you have actually requested that I make this video on gold. I don't really trade gold, but when I trade it with, kill it. All right, so I have a very good one, good setup. Then we're going to kill gold this week. So that's it. So kill gold within this week. So we dive right into it. We have a gold chart. I placed my analysis on it right here. Okay, so let's check it out on 4 hours time frame. All right, so we have this. Gold has been on a downtrend in a long while. It's been on a downtrend. Okay, downtrend. So if you've been buying at some point and find out that markets actually sold down based on price action, okay, because of the trend of the market is down, so it's very strong. So if you are buying, you buy temporarily. If you are selling, you sell with your full chest. Okay, so now I need to chip this in. Always have your fundamentals in check whenever you are trading technicals. Always have your fundamentals in check. Check your fundamentals first before going into analysis. All right, check it first. Or if you analyze your market, go and check the fundamental if there is a news coming up for that particular pair that you are going to be trading. All right, this is what worked for me actually is that what I advise you is you're trading a pair that news is going to drop later in the day. All right, ensure that they are not in the market. All right, so whatever volatility that we're likely going to take place due to the drop of the news. All right, so you get to avoid every manipulation that may be used in it, because they actually can use news as manipulation. Maybe trade has been going towards your direction, and because of the news drop, it went against you, or just manipulate your stop loss and go towards the direction you get. So in order to avoid that, check your fundamentals before you trade. It's very important. As you can see on my screen, I have my fundamentals right there. You can see I've opened it up. I always have it in check it, because you could be a very good trader and you feel like I'm not a fundamental trader. Bros, this is, if you don't do your fundamental, there's no way you make it out from the forex market. Don't be deceived. Don't say I'm only technical to the technical. The idea is for you to balance the fundamentals, because these are the two things that control the market: fundamental and technical. So in few cases we have sentimental. All right, so might also be the major one that you need to pay attention to. Okay, back to the video. Sorry, back to the chart. We have gold here on 4 hours time frame. Plot out all my necessities, that's my technical tools. All right, so looking at this, we have a bounce, we have a downtrend, we have a bounce here, a bounce, and another bounce is likely going to occur here. And as we can see right here, market have broken this level. Okay, it broke this level, so we're expecting market to come to the supply zone, which has been created here and this region right here. So we expect markets to tap into this zone. How? There's a break here, market went up, came for retest, and it's coming to test this this supply zone. Once it is tested and we have our confirmation, what do? We short the market. It has not totally broken the trend line. When this trend line actually becomes invalid is when you have a market break up to this point, then reject down to this point, then what happens? You take your confirmation from here. All right, then you take your entry rather from here, you buy up to this level. Okay, so that is what you're looking out for shorting 1 hour gold. Then where do you get your entries from? You get your entry from the 30 minutes time frame or 15 minutes time frame. As you can see right here, as I've analyzed, it's almost looking like the 1 hour. To expect market to come to this place. Where's our point of interest? At this region right here. Okay, this is what we're looking out for in gold, and we short crazily. Now in a situation whereby it does not go for, that's what I just did right here. It takes out this level that we have here, wait for a retest. Never joke with retests. It's very important to get your trade into. Most of the time, if you try to trade breakouts, I'll tell you what happens. What if it is a false breakout? What happens? You'll be losing most of the time. And you understand how the Forex market is. It's not every time the market gets to your level at the same point, to come and grab liquidity and move, you feel like it's a breakout. So I encourage students, I encourage you to use I always get your entries from a retest. Okay, so this is what we are actually doing on gold for this week. All right, remember to trade with caution, trade according to your account size. Always remember to apply proper risk management. Okay, always ensure to apply proper risk management. It's vital for your sanity. Remember that the psychology actually plays a major role in the financial markets. Okay, so to keep your psychology in check and not for you to panic sell. So in case you have 1 or 2 issues that might be going on with you, you're not making profits, there's a video that we've actually made. I think our previous video, you can go there, visit it, and see the reason why the errors made by traders. Okay, go there, watch it. And how to, like I said, top 5 tips to how to make profit from the market actually. So go there, watch the video, and equip yourself. So to encourage us to drop more profitable content, remember to always hit the subscribe button. For the newbie watching this video, the new person, not the newbie actually, watching this video, can hit the subscription button, that's the subscribe button, and turn on your notifications to encourage us to drop more profitable content like this. You can also go to our website. If you're a total beginner, we have free courses on our website, www.fxmediatrade.com. I made 20 courses for newbies, so to get into the market, I'm like, okay, how do I start? You can start right from there. It's free. 20 courses. Go through them, and on to further, you can always contact us through YouTube or on social media handles. So you have your courses right there on our website, totally free. Okay, so we always drop new content, and I also encourage you guys, we love what we do. You can as well share our video to share it on Instagram or whatever way you can actually share to have more people join the community of FX Media. So we're creating a crazy community of Forex traders around the world. All right, so it's going to be mind-blowing. We're going to do a lot of stuff on this channel, passing pop challenge and stuff, crazy stuff are going to be happening, and you don't want to miss it. Okay, so this is what we are targeting right here. Our entry is from this point, and then we're going to scale below. Or I've told you, I've given you guys 2 entries, possible outcome. But if it doesn't go our direction, there's no problem. We are good. We understand how the market works. Okay. You understand. So, but what makes you a good trader is that you make more profits than you lose from the market. Okay, that's why your proper risk management is always important that you apply that. But I'm not the owner of the market. Me giving you this analysis doesn't mean that it must happen, but it has a very high win rate. Okay, so trade with caution always. Never forget that. Thank you so much. So that's it for the video. We look forward to the next episode. See you guys.